Hey there, welcome to Mr. Money Talks. Today, we've got something really special in store for you. What if Tinder, yes, the app where you match with potential dates, was actually for investors? Imagine choosing stocks, bonds, and investment strategies just like you choose potential partners for a long-term relationship. You know how it goes on Tinder. Swipe right if you like it. Swipe left if it's a no-go. But what if your money was on the line? Would you swipe left on high-risk stocks? Or swipe right for a solid bond that promises a return? Let's break it all down and see how our investment lives would play out in a Tinder-esque world. Watch until the end to learn how not to lose money in investments, just like your ex-relationships. Let's kick things off with stocks, the speed dating option of the investment world. Just like in speed dating, you have to be quick, decisive, and ready to move on to the next opportunity at a moment's notice. Yeah, you know you're looking for a quick spark, but you have no idea how long this relationship will last. Stocks can give you that quick reward, but also drop faster than your emotions after a first date. Tesla. Today you're madly in love with it, but tomorrow you wake up to the harsh reality that your investment is down 20%. It's like that wild first date where you just knew it was going to be fireworks, but in the end it's a lot of fire and not much else. If you're a stock investor, you've definitely felt the rush. The emotional highs, the stomach-dropping lows, the thrill of that 3 a.m. check on your portfolio. If you're looking for fast romance, stocks are your perfect match. Now let's talk about bonds. If stocks are the speed dating, bonds are the serious relationship option. Bonds are that dependable partner who might not give you all the excitement of a stock, but they'll sure keep you grounded and secure. Bonds are like the person who always shows up on time, remembers anniversaries, and doesn't give you any drama. You know what you're getting, steady, reliable returns. A bond is like that long-term partner who says, hey, I'll give you a steady 3 to 5% return every year. No surprises, no risk. Sure, they're not as exciting as stocks, but they're like that rock you can rely on in a storm. No one's going to get emotional here, but let's be real. Bonds can get a little boring sometimes. They're the low-maintenance type. You won't get the thrill of a sudden windfall, but you will get peace of mind. Think of it like being in a relationship where everything is calm, stable, and comfortable. If you're looking for excitement, bonds aren't for you, but if you crave consistency, they'll give you just that. Now, just like with any relationship, there are different types of bonds. You've got your government bonds, considered the most stable, like that partner your parents absolutely adore. Diversification, the open relationship strategy. Okay, now we're entering the world of open relationships. Don't worry, it's not as scandalous as it sounds. This is the strategy of diversification. Instead of betting all your chips on one stock or bond, you're spreading your love around to a whole bunch of different investments. Diversification is like dating a few different people at once. You've got your adventurous side, stocks, your reliable one, bonds, and your wild card, crypto, real estate, maybe even a little international exposure. You know, just in case one of your partners lets you down, you've got others to keep you company. With diversification, you're protecting yourself from those inevitable heartbreaks. If one investment tanks, whether it's a stock or a particular bond, you've still got others to keep things balanced. It's like being in a relationship with one person who loves to try new things, one who prefers the same old routine, and one who's a bit of a wild card. Sure, it can get complicated, but you're covered in case one relationship crashes and burns. Now, this doesn't mean you're just randomly swiping through every asset class you can find. You still want to make sure your diversification strategy aligns with your goals. So yes, it's about finding the right mix, the right balance. You wouldn't date just anyone, right? Same goes for investments. Think of it as managing your risk. Just like you wouldn't put all your emotional energy into one person. You don't want to put all your financial resources into one investment. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you're giving yourself a better chance to enjoy the benefits of each. Each type of investment has its own strengths and weaknesses, and by combining them, you can create a more resilient portfolio. Diversification isn't just a strategy, it's a way to build a more secure and prosperous financial future. Strategies. Looking for a long-term commitment. All right, you've been swiping, dating, and diversifying. Now what? You've explored different options, tested the waters, and maybe even had a few short-term wins and losses. Now, you're ready to look for something serious. No more short flings. It's time to think about the future and what will bring you lasting success. You're ready for that long-term commitment. This is about finding investments that will stand the test of time. You're looking for a relationship built on trust, stability, and steady growth. Just like in personal relationships, these qualities are crucial for financial success. This is where investment strategies come into play. It's not just about picking stocks, it's about creating a plan that aligns with your long-term goals. When it comes to long-term relationships in investing, we're talking about strategies like passive income, index funds, and dividend reinvestment. These are the building blocks of a solid portfolio. These are like the partners who've been around for the long haul. They provide consistent returns and help you weather market fluctuations. They won't give you those massive highs and lows, but they offer something even more valuable: reliability. They are quietly growing and helping you build wealth over time. This is the essence of a long-term investment strategy. So there you have it. Investing doesn't have to be scary. In fact, it can be pretty exciting when you think of it like finding your perfect financial match. Remember, just like in dating, it's all about finding what works for you, your risk tolerance, your goals, and your dreams. Whether you're drawn to the thrill of stocks, the stability of bonds, or the power of diversification, there's an investment strategy out there waiting to swipe right on you. So get out there, start exploring. And remember, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Find your perfect financial match. Are you ready for your next investment date? Like, subscribe and comment below. Which investment strategy would you swipe right on?